Welcome to this video on using Copilot in Power Platform. If you're looking to build apps quickly, automate tasks, or enhance productivity with AI, you're in the right place. In this guide, we'll walk through how to use Copilot in Power Apps, Data Towers, and Power Automate to build solutions using natural language. What is Copilot in Power Platform? Copilot is an AI-powered assistant built into the Power Platform that allows you to build apps, create data tables, automate workflows, all just by using natural language. You simply describe what you want, and Copilot helps generate it. Creating a table with Copilot. Let's create a table to track tasks. In the Power Apps Maker portal, click Start with Copilot and type. Create a table to track project tasks with columns for name, due date, and status. Copilot will create tables such as project, task, and comment. Automatically detect data types. Suggest relationships between tables if applicable. You can also extend the schema with prompts like add a priority column with values low, medium, high. Building a model-driven app with Copilot. Once the tables are created, you can generate a model-driven app using Copilot. Select the drop-down and choose to create a model-driven app. Copilot will generate the app structure, views, forms, tables populated with sample data if applicable. This app is data-centric, leverages Dataverse relationships, and follows the model-driven app structure, enabling quick, scalable solution development.
Next,
We will discuss how to create a basic Power Automate flow using Copilot. Creating a basic flow in Power Automate using Copilot is quick and easy. Follow these steps to build a flow that sends an email when a new item is added to a SharePoint list. White heavy checkmark step 1. Open Power Automate. Go to https://make.powerautomate.com. Sign in with your Microsoft 365 account. White heavy checkmark step 2. Use Copilot to describe the flow. On the home page, locate the Copilot panel, usually on the right side. In the prompt box, describe what you want the flow to do. Example: when a new item is created in SharePoint, send me an email. Press Enter. Wait for a minute or two while Copilot generates a flow with the trigger and action. White heavy checkmark step 3. Review and accept the suggested flow. Copilot will suggest a flow with trigger when an item is created in SharePoint. Action: send an email via Outlook. Click Keep and Continue. Grant the necessary permissions if prompted. White heavy checkmark step 4. Fill in the flow details. Enter the required information. Site address, the URL of your SharePoint site. List name, the name of the SharePoint list you want to monitor. Email details, who should receive the notification and what it should say. White heavy checkmark step 5. Save and test the flow. Click Save to save your flow. Click Test to check if it works. White heavy checkmark step 6. Create a SharePoint list. Go to SharePoint and create a list using the same site address and list name you entered in the flow. Add a new item to the list. The flow should now be triggered, and you should receive the email as expected. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content. See you in the next one.